Are mind maps helpful for physics notes? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the many concepts in physics? If so, you are not alone. Many students struggle to connect the dots between different ideas. This is where mind maps come into play. So, are mind maps helpful for physics notes? Let's find out. Mind maps are a fantastic tool for organizing complex information visually. In physics, you deal with a lot of interrelated concepts and formulas. A mind map starts with a central topic, like Newton's laws, and branches out into related ideas, formulas, and examples. This structure helps you see how everything connects. When you use mind maps, you are not just memorizing facts. Instead, you are linking new information to what you already know. This method promotes meaningful learning, which is essential in physics. Concepts often build on one another, and mind maps help clarify these relationships. Research indicates that students who utilize mind maps for physics topics, such as electric energy, tend to achieve better understanding and retention. This technique encourages active engagement with the material. You are not just passively taking notes, you are interacting with the content, which helps you grasp scientific concepts more effectively. Practically speaking, mind maps can be used in various ways. During lectures, you can quickly jot down key points. When revising, they serve as a great way to summarize large topics. Mind maps can also be a brainstorming tool to explore connections between physics laws and problems. This flexibility makes them a great note-taking strategy for physics students. Using colors and images in your mind maps can further boost your memory. Visual elements engage different areas of your brain, making studying more enjoyable and effective. You might find that creating a mind map for each chapter or topic helps you retain information better. In summary, mind maps are indeed helpful for physics notes. They visually organize complex information, promote meaningful learning, and improve memory retention. If you are looking for an effective study hack for mastering physics, give mind maps a try. You might be surprised at how much easier it becomes to understand and remember the material.